Sir, Mohammed Fawaz did a screenshot of trades.
Okay.
Let's review that. I have one marginal step it took. I want to see why did that happen.
Where is the trades?
One marginal step. There was
Within these pictures?
yeah.
So
Next one.
okay.
Next. Yes. Before one.
This one?
Before. Yes.
Where is the one martingale step?
This line he drawn of that inside bar candle of the green.
Okay.
It touched the zone. The next candle I'm expecting a reversal, right? From the zone because it touched.
At this zone, right?
Yes.
So you are expecting
Next candle. I am expecting next candle to go green.
Okay, why you are expecting?
It touched the zone, therefore we are expecting a reversal from that zone, right?
Okay. So in which setup you are expecting? A 3 weeks?
Yes. Yesterday's setup, yeah.
So is there in 3 weeks?
Ooh.
I
am so down.
No, it's not a 3 weeks, right?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
I'm really sorry.
Yes.
Thank you for the. Okay. I'm confused most of the time.
No, it's not a problem. Because he already cleared that this is which pattern? Another psychological pattern, green, red, green is equal to red. So he is talking about which pattern? Green, red. The next one will be the green. Okay, so he's talking about this pattern.
Yes. That I understood, but I was having the doubt that previous one I would have done this.
Yes, you thought that you thought that this is a trade also and this is a trade also. And he also gave us a circle here, right? That this is the only trade. If there will be 2 circles, means there are 2 trades. So, yes. So he's shown us a red, green, red type of patterns. Okay, like a psychological patterns. Okay, so now how we can know that the price will reverse from certain level for 5 minutes? That is the very important point to understand reversals for the 5-minute expiry. Okay, how many members they know how to draw the Fibonacci?
Quite average.
Fibonacci, how we can draw?
Yes, low to high or either high to low, wherever it fits.
Low to high and high to low. Okay, where it will fix. Okay, so then yes,
Fibonacci, when I draw a Fibonacci level, sometimes it works, sometimes not. So I am confused.
Which level you are trading in the Fibonacci?
I think almost every level.
Every level. We
Me too.
So in the Fibonacci, we will never trade the each and every level. How to use the Fibonacci tool, it is very important to know, right? The Fibonacci retracement tool, we are trading for the continuation of the trend and reversal of the trend. So reversal of the trend, it is not considered a one candle. The reversal is that means the lot of candles will reversal, right? See here. For example, price is in a downtrend. Okay, price is in a downtrend where we need the levels at the downside. So what we will do, we will select a low first and then we will select the high last. Okay, when you are in a downtrend, what you will select first?
Low.
And then you select the high. Okay, first of all, you will select the low first and then last high. Okay, so this will be your Fibonacci level. We are not trading these levels. 1.61.8. When it will be broke, we will place a 5-minute call option. When it will broke, we will place a 5-minute
call option.
See, here it's broke by this candle, right?
Right.
If you count from here, the 5 minutes, it's a win, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. When it will move up, when it will break the 100 level, we will place a 5-minute sell. Okay.
Okay.
It will be your winning trade. Okay. Now, again, identify the new level and new high. Okay. After that, we saw this 1.61 level becomes a low and then price is falling down. Is it falling down here, right?
Right, sir.
Because it's a breakout, means price falling down. So we can take this and this low also. Is it touching the 1.61 here? No. Means we need to redraw the Fibonacci with a different high low. If I check, this is a perfect level which I can draw. One thing keep in mind, low where you can select the low, you select the low which will be breaking. If the low is not breaking, you don't select the low. Low select when it will break in. Why I select this low? That is broken. Okay. When the first candle will break this low, then I will select this low and this high. When this low will be breaking, then I will select this low and this high. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, come and select this low and this high. Okay. So here we will check when the level is breaking. Level is breaking. Which one? 161.8. This is broken here. Okay. We select the 5-minute expiry. We lost here. If we lost, we will never trade the second trade. Then we will stop here. Now, next time when it will break the 2.61, then again we will buy for 5 minutes. If one time 161.8 does not respect, then don't again trade or don't again continue the trade. Sometimes you will win, sometimes you will lose. Then wait for the next level. It will be 261. If it touches, then you can trade. Okay.
Okay, sir.
When the price is mostly in a strong downtrend, sometimes you will fail. Mostly you will win, but sometimes you will fail. Now, if we extend the level from here to here and from here to here, again 161 point is very far away. Okay, so here we are not getting the point. Now you can see this level is, the price is moving up. Okay, when price is moving up, we will select the Fibonacci tool from height to, no, this is not a breakout structure. This is the breakout structure. It's still not touching because it's a correction of the downtrend. So here it will be the correct movement. I think this is not correct, but we will select another pair where it will work clearly. Here you can check. Okay, how you are drawing the waves. Look at here. 2 candles, then it will correct. 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 Okay, so minimum 2 candles are important for the wave, and then you can select the lows. If we want to trade and we want to draw here, which level we will select? This and this, it is correct, or this and this level we need to select? Which one we will select? Yes, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3 or 1 and 2?
1 and 2.
1 and 2, because recently this is a wave and then it's breaking down. Okay, 1 and 2. But if we are not in a market, for example, we miss the 1 and 2 point, then we can select the 1 and 3. Here, which point is selected? This is not broken and the support is worked. When support is worked, the next breakout we will never trade. Okay, so if the support will work, then next breakout we will never trade. This is a one kind of filter that if directly breakout, it will reverse. If support already work, it stays some time and then it's breaking, we will never trade the breakout. Very rarely you will trade, you will get the trades in the Fibonacci because it's a 5-minute expiry. So it's not a frequently you will get the trades, but very rarely using this strategy you can trade. Here, for example, we draw this one and this one. Before there is this one line. Okay, see here, this point and this point and then this point. It's a pattern of the uptrend. 161.8 is breaking, you can trade for here. When it's breaking, you can trade for here. In a ranging market, it will give you too much time, too much trades. But in another where you maybe in a trend, maybe you will get the very few few trades. So this will be your trade. And then again, if the price is moving up, for example, then if you want to select this level, then you select this low. Okay, yes. If you are increasing the new high, we increase from here to here, which high? This high. Then we will increase the next higher low. Then this will be your complete structure, and then you will see mostly if it's breaking but it's not broke, if you can trade the support also, resistance also, it will move down. Okay, you can use in this way the Fibonacci only. I'm not using the Fibonacci, these lines as a support and resistance, because in a binary it's not working, but in a Forex it's working. How we are trading the Forex market? With a different way, like a manipulation levels of the Fibonacci. But in a binary, we are not trading those things. See here, another trade when you will get For example, the downtrend is there here again. Then select this low. There is no touching in the 161 because this is the extreme level. Why we are using? This is a extreme level. We are trading only the extreme levels. This is the extreme level which is not touched. So we are not trading anymore here. Okay. And then, for example, here, this low and this is we are taking. This high and this low we are taking. When it's breaking, here it's breaking. Okay. You can enter the trade here. Very, I think it's an ATM or with a very low margin you won this trade because market is in a range. So you can use, but it's not necessary if you are using the 5-minute expiry because this is in a course, so that's why I discussed. Now after that, the pattern is M and W, trading for the 5-minute. M and W is what?
Double top, double bottom.
Double bottom. Triple top, triple bottom. Okay. These patterns are very perfect patterns. In these patterns, you will find the trend, you will find the trades as well as. See here. Double top pattern is showing the downtrend is started, right? And you will find the different shapes of the double top. This will be the shape. This will be the shape. And this will be the shape. So this shape is perfect for trading. This shape is perfect for trading. This shape, we are not trading. We can trade, for example, if we understand the divergence. Now, who know about the divergence?
Between the volumes and the price action.
No. The divergence is not no divergence in the volume. The price action divergence, like a oscillator, when show you any divergence.
It's like RSI or indicator.
RSI divergence are, for example, the stochastic divergence, or for the MACD divergence. This is a double top also. This is a also double top. But this double top only we can trade with the help of the divergence.
Absolutely.
For example, the price is moving high to higher high, right? And indicator is showing high to lower high. Now this divergence we can trade when it's breaking. This double top with a divergence help, but this is we are not using because if we open the divergence topic, it will be very big topic. So only these patterns, 2 patterns are very enough for a binary trading. Okay. In these 2 patterns, which patterns is look like a strong pattern? See here. The direction is pointing downwards, and the direction is pointing flat. Right? Look at, if it is pointing downward, if it is pointing downward, means it's very strong. If it is pointing flat, means the market will remain in a
range.
It is showing the market will remain in a trend. So this is very important. We will trade when it's breaking this one, when it will touch and then it will move down, we can trade. I'm going to show you. There will be so many patterns of the double top. Okay. Here you can see. Is it working?
Yes, neckline.
Neckline is breaking, so we can enter the trade. If the breakout candle is strong, if you want to wait for the 5 minute, it's up to you. If you don't want to wait for the 5 minute, you can trade immediately. Okay, so it's not necessary. It's just a filter to waiting for the retracement. But if you want to trade, you can trade. 5 minute, you can win here. See here. Here you found the retracement candle.
Yes.
After breakout, you found the retracement candle. Sometimes, because we have a 5 minute expiry, sometimes 1 minute it will come back and then it will move up. So it is possible. Like this way, you can identify the double top and double bottom. It's a flat. It's a flat, and this is a pointing downward. Okay. Some more examples, and then if the four candles create a double top or double bottom, only just 4 candles. Now there are so many candles. Okay. So 5 minutes, you can see when it's breaking, you can enter for the 5 minute. It's a win, right? See here. It's a binary. That's why I'm taking like this one. Okay. It's broken. Then you can see 5 minutes, it's moving up. These trades you will find so many trades you will find. And this is more accurate as compared to the Fibonacci. Here you can see. In a downtrend, what you will suggest that the double top you will trade or double bottom you will trade?
Top.
Top is important. Okay. So here, after retracement, it's moved down for 5 minutes. Okay. Like this way, you will identify the trades. This is a double bottom, but how we can trade this double bottom? With the help of divergence. Okay, so I'm going to add the divergence and we'll show you it's stochastic. Look at this pattern. Okay, this low and this low. What's suggesting? The price is falling down. This low and this low, what suggesting? Price is
Flat.
Equal. There is a big difference. There is a big difference.
Different.
That is called the divergence. So from this understanding, I can, if I can get the double bottom in this way, when it will break, I can trade for 5 minutes from here. So only just identify the two any lows, and if it is showing the opposite, if the price is falling down and in the stochastic price is equal or price is moving up, that will be opposite in an oscillator, then the price, that will be called the divergence. Okay, just an example here. See another example of the divergence. Do you find any difference?
I would say it's almost equal.
Do you find difference?
Oh, yes, yes.
When you find this difference, what it means? Means the price will move down, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you find any difference?
Yes.
The price is moving up for some 5 to 6 candles, for example. Okay. This is one kind of divergence. If you confirm the setup, if you filter the setup, you will find these divergences. See here. what it means? It means it's against, right?
Yes.
It's a divergence. What it means? Is it against?
Yes.
Yeah.
That is a divergence. What it means? It's against.
Yes, sir.
That is a divergence. Okay. So when the price is pointing upward and stochastic pointing downward, here price is pointing in this format, and here it's pointing downward. So that is your divergence. And divergence, for example, how to use? For example, you got any resistance level, okay? Price reached the resistance. Now you are thinking maybe price can go down for 5 minutes. But you are not confirmed. How you will confirm? If price reach at this area, then previous high and this high, previous high and then higher high, you can draw and you can check in a stochastic that is it any opposition, then yes, your resistance will work and it will move down for 5 minutes. Got my point? Look at here again. This is the support. You want to trade support for the 5 minutes. Price close here. How you confirm the 5 minute may it work? You can identify this price divergence here. It will be confirmed. For example, here, if I found any other divergence, then I will give you the example. See here. This is a round number. Okay. If you are thinking that the price may can reverse from the round number for 5 minutes, then the price makes this high, and the price, what it show? Opposition. It means the price will fall down. Price will fall down. So understand, this is the use of divergence. But if you want to confirm, then you can use the divergence. I just give you the concept. Focus on the patterns. See here, if you have a one candle which is green, then you have a one candle which is red, then you have a one candle which is green, then you have a one candle which is red. If I draw, price move up, price move down, price move up, price move down. What is this?
Double
top.
Right? It's your double top. Now you can use this double top. You can use this double top. The next candle may can continue. But you identify. Sometime before I was using this strategy, but now recently I did not check this strategy. This M and this W also you can use. And there is a one video which is recorded here. M and W strategy and supply and demand trading. And then do you watch this video?
Yes, sir.
So this is the same thing. In a detail, I explained here this M and W pattern. Okay. If someone who did not watch, then he can watch this one. It's very important for the M and W pattern. Okay. I'm making it a copy and putting in your folder. No, where is the copy?
Status link, share.
No, it's not a share. Move to rename, change color. So why it's not? Okay, it's a folder. Yes, it's a folder, right? So there are so many examples also as well here. Okay. Now make it a copy. But if I make it the copy, then there will be so many I cannot understand. Okay, so here on just I'm sending you this one. Make a copy. And this pattern I'm going to share in your. Also, you can access from here, from this folder also. Okay, so this video also I shared with you. Okay, now what's your plan for the trading with money management? What do you think that from how much money I can start the trading? Then I can talk on the money management. So if you give me the correct information, then I will give you the correct guidance about the money management. So now tell me one by one. What do you think that how much amount you can invest in a trading, for example?
Like to start an account or
any investment, for example, investment in a binary, you will start definitely because you learn this course strategies. Now definitely you will trade in a real account. So what will be your initial investment?
$100.
100 USD. What is your target?
To grow the account each day.
Each day, yes.
I would try to shoot for 10% if
10%.
that's
Okay, 10%.
reasonable. I don't know if
okay.
that's
okay, 10%. Okay, so Fawaz, you tell me how much amount you will put in a investment?
I think $100 also.
What will be your target?
My target maybe $5 a day or something.
5%. Okay.
It's a small account also.
Okay, so 5%. Okay, perfect. Yusuf, Prakash, and what will be your investment and what will be your target?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yusuf.
Now I have an account of
yes. How much?
361.
361, right?
Yeah.
And what will be your target?
Almost 8%.
8%. Okay, perfect. And then Opu, you tell me about
yes,
yourself. Yes. What will be your?
I'm in some kind of confusion. I've lost a lot. I want to go with $500 with $10 to $20 profits per day. How much percentage will that be?
Okay, 500, and you want how much percentage? 5%,
$20.
$20
will be.
I think this will be 3% or 4%, right? 3%.
Yeah, I'm a bit too scared to lose my money.
5%. Don't be scared. I will give you suggestion. Okay. And who remain? The Yusuf. Yusuf.
Yes, I have already spoken.
Okay, Yusuf
It's
already
Prakash.
spoken. Then Prakash remaining.
Yeah.
Prakash, what do you think? How much percentage? How much?
$100, sir, and 10%.
$100 and 10%. And be stand that where if you give me the wrong information, then you will suffer. Then you will lose the money, right? So if you are telling me the 10%, 5%,
everyone is going to lose.
Yes. Otherwise, then I'm not responsible, right? Okay. So this is the overall. Your target is perfect. If you are thinking that 10%, 5%, 8%, 5%, 10% of the investment, then your target is perfect. And also investment is perfect for the trading. Okay. Now, how we can save this investment? Main thing is to save the investment. If we have a fear of losing, what the word I called? Fear of
losing.
If you have a fear of losing, even you are a good trader, no any strategy will work for you. No any strategy will work for you. But if you have a fear of losing, one thing keep in mind, when you invest this amount, then think that in the balance, where the balance is showing, it is only just a numbers. Okay, this is a practice. This is just numbers. Now you have to increase the numbers. Maybe it will reduce your very few emotions. Understand, this is a number. If you will say it's a money, then that is a big problem. So again, then you will be get the fear of losing. Okay, don't get a fear. For example, everybody have a 5 winning trades out of 10. Is it possible?
Yes.
Yes.
But it is risky. It is
Risky.
risky. In the start of the 1 month, you will never select in the money management 5 trade out of 10.
10.
You need to be stayed with a profit for 1 month, then your all fears will gone. Select 3 out of 10. Any strategy you trade, 10 trades you are trading, how much you have to win?
3.
3. You will get the profit, but small. You will get the profit, but small profit you will get. If you are stayed with this percentage, then this money management is very good for you. 3 out of 10. Okay, so I'm going to show you the money management, then how we can use it. Some members, they are using in a wrong way. That's why they are losing money with the money management. But if you will use right way, then you will say, sir, there is no fear for the trading and there is no risk. Okay. See here. Now, first of all, I will talk about who is trading the 500 USD. Okay.
Okay.
I will send you this. Okay, I will send this file. A 500. Initial investment is how much?
500.
500. You will place how many trades? 10.
10.
And how much you have to win? 3 trades only.
3.
And what the broker give you percentage? Sometimes 1.95, sometimes 90%, sometimes 85%. Okay, okay, 85% is a every time or mostly. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
If you win 3 trades out of 10, how much you will win?
$16.24.
$16. Your target is how much?
20.
In a day, 2 sessions, how much you will get?
Almost 31,
32 USD. But you are thinking, sir, I have done so many losses, so I cannot take any risk, right?
Yes.
Then this 3 change into 2. Is it possible?
We will get profit also?
2 trades out of 10. Is it possible to win?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
A lot.
So when 2 trades you will win, how much amount you will get? 2.69. This, for example, you won the first trade. Okay. And then what will be the next trade?
0. Oh, we have to take at least one.
0.54 means we are not taking the second trade, right? When you are losing the first trade, then you have to take the 2 trades. Otherwise, if you are winning the first trade, only the first trade you have win, right? Then when you win this trade, now again delete and again start from the 2.63. Got it?
Yes.
But if you are losing the first trade, the next trade you will, for example, if you win, the next trade again you need to win. It is 1.17, right? And now you have to win the next trade. For example, your target is complete. The session is complete. Target is complete. Session is
Complete.
Now you again restart the session. Don't continue the session. This session is finished now. Means you cover the target. Now again start the new trade. Okay. Then delete. For example, if you lose this one, right?
Okay.
Then you lose again.
Yes.
Then you win. Then you lose. Then you win. Your target is complete. Your target is
Complete.
your third session. For example, it is finished. First session, you got the money. Second session, you got the money. Third session, you got the money. Okay. So now these 3 sessions, I think it is 8 USD. How much?
$8.
Means you again need to trade to become a how much? 20 USD. But if you are trading with the 3 trades, then only 2 sessions required. But sometimes 3 is very risky because you have a fear of losing. Okay.
Okay.
So 2 trades, I know that you will never lose. You will win out of 10. Even if you close the eyes and just place a put and call option, you will get the 2 wins easily. Without any analysis, you can win the 2, right? If you follow just a color, if you follow that first, if this candle is a green, the next will be green. If this candle is a red, the next candle will be the red. The 10 out of 10 trades, you will win the 2 trades. Is it easy or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
With every session, you are winning the $2, small amount, right?
Yes.
But I give you the surprise. Okay. I give you the surprise. How much $20 you will win? 20 into 22 days. How much it will be?
Yeah. Where is my calculator?
Yes, I have a calculator. Look at it. 20 into
440. 440.
440. 100% you won in the 1 month. Little bit less than the 100%. Okay. Means sometimes if you 1 more session, if you are 2 more session, you will place then 22 days. Why I say there are 30 days, right?
Holidays.
Holidays are sometimes you are not available for the trading. Maybe sometimes you are not available. Maybe my market is not good. Maybe you are outside. You don't have a time. So that's why I said how many days? 22 days. But if your punctuality, if you are trading 30 days, 20 USD into 30 days, it's a 600. But no, don't bother the trading. Only 20 into 22 days. This is perfect. 2 days enjoy holidays, right? Now, when you will win 440 in the first month, then what you will do, you just withdraw your capital amount, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Now you have any fear?
No.
No.
Still do.
Still the next month again you do. Still the next month again you do with a 2, because I want that in the bottom of the heart, if there is a little bit fear, you can remove it. This is a practice. This is a practice with a real money. This is a practice with a real money.
Real money.
Means you need to remove the fear from your bottom of the heart. Then 2 trades you are winning out of 10. It's not a big deal. It's very easy. It's very easy. And you know that what the strategies I shared, these all the 80%. But how much you need? 20%. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But one thing here, one thing very important. Tell your mind, I need to win 2 trades out of 5, not out of 10.
Okay.
What will be your focus? You need to win 2 trades out of 5. But in a money management, you need to write 10 trades out of 2. You know why? Because if 2 out of 10, you will become a lazy. You will become a lazy. Then no,
Yes.
I have an opportunity, I can win. No problem, no problem, no problem, I can win. But when you have a limited, then you will focus on the right setup and correct entry point. Now, another thing, when first session you finish, then 5 or 10 minutes you need to wait. Even market is good, even you find an opportunity in front of you, but you don't need to trade. Now tell me why.
Why, sir?
This is the lesson of patience. This is the lesson of patience. Sometimes we have a food in front of us, but we are not eating this food. We need to eat at the time, for example, right?
Yes.
So we are waiting. We are waiting. No, we cannot eat. Means we have a patience. If we believe, we have a patience. If we believe in ourselves, then we have a patience. If someone is thinking and saying, sir, I don't have a patience, I'm very weak in a patience, means you are not believing in yourself. So I talked with one doctor. He told me that if you want to increase the patience, or if you don't have a patience, then do every work, and then from starting the next work, you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Even you have an opportunity, but you just to wait for 5 minutes, it is a practice. Within the 7 days, you will become a good patient trader. This is the patience exercise, and this is for you, right?
Yes, sir.
No one can lose then money, I know. But for example, when you will become a good trader, then you can increase the 3 trades, right? And then you can, and every session with the 3 trades, you will win the 16 trades. And when after 6 months, after 4 months, then you earn so much money. Now you don't have any issue. Then decrease the investment. What? Decrease the investment and come and win 4 out of 10. $25 you will win every session if you win the 4 trades out of 10 within the 200 investment. Got it?
Yes, sir.
But after, when you understand that I can win the 4 trades, 40%, when you will become a 40% trader, a 40% trader, then you can use this one. And when after some more time, when you are able to win the 5 trades, then decrease the investment 100 and then 10 out of 5. How much you will win? 39 USD.
39.
Yes.
Damn.
Right? But it's not,
Yes, sir.
it's after the 6 months. Now, if you become a pro, for example, then reduce the investment at the 50. And right here, 6 trades you can win out of 10. 54. 100%, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But now don't take a risk. For example, We reduce the risk. You are a swimmer. You want to, you know how to swim, and you are very good in a swimming. When you jump, dive into the sea, why you are wearing the life jacket? Everyone is wearing the life jacket. Even he is a swimmer. Why? Because extra
Production.
Yes. For the extra safety he is wearing. When you are a good trader, but you are a beginner, you need the extra safety. Extra safety means you require the big balance, and for example 500, and then you are using how much? 2 trades. Means there is a safety. 2 trades everybody can win out of 10. Then he will be a profitable. But if someone who can afford, if he is using the 1000 USD, and then every session 2 out of 10, he will win the 5 trades. But I'm not suggesting to everyone you invest the 1000 USD. But for example, if you are thinking, sir, 2 trades I can win out of 8, then how much balance I have to require? 300 USD, 8 out of 2, or 2 out of 8. How much you will win?
$1.85.
No, 6.33.
Oh yeah, 6.3.
Because you take a 2 trade risk. Before there was a 10 trade, right? Yes. Within the 10 opportunity, you need to trade the 2, right? But now yes, you reduce the opportunity, 8 opportunity, and you have to win the 2. But if you are thinking, I want to use the 200, then reduce. If 200, also you can take the 8 out of 2 or 2 out of 8. It will be $4. It's enough. For example, 100 USD you are investing, and 8 out of 2. So now, is it better than the 500 or not? 500 we are getting the every $2, right? And 100, yes, 8 out of 2 we are getting the $2. Which is best?
100 isn't bad either.
100 is best, right?
Yes.
But you have how much opportunities?
8.
2 trades win out of 8.
8.
But one thing, the practice of this money management in the demo account, how you will do the practice? You know how many sessions required? No. 100 sessions in a demo account. It's required to understand the money management, to use to on the money management, because within the 10 session you will never understand. Maybe in a 10 session market is very good, you won all the sessions. How you can justify that the market is bad and I'm a winner? Within the 100 session, definitely you will face the bad market also, right? And bad entry points also.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
When you say 100 sessions, do you mean 100 trades or like?
No, 100 session means not 100 trades. Maybe the trades will be more, but 100 sessions. When you have to win the one session, it will be the one.
Okay.
And now, how many days? How many days? 10 days practice. How many?
10 days.
Every day 10 sessions. Is it a big deal?
No.
But 100 session, what give you? It give you the trust. It will overcome your fear. When everything will be positive, one thing will be negative. And that is naturally. I cannot control. Maybe you can control. When everything will be positive, then this thing will be increased in your life.
Yes, greed is really bad thing.
Then you say, before you was a confident, after winning so many sessions, now you are overconfident.
Yeah.
Overconfident is a sign of greed. overconfidence, he will never accept his mistakes.
Yes.
He will give reason on the others. And overconfident always cry. Overconfident always fight with others. Overconfident people, they cannot respect to others. If you become overconfident within any strategy, all these things, it will automatically come in your heart, come in your thinking. So don't be overconfident. Greed is not good for the trading. Even you have too much money, if you have a greed, you will lose everything. So, you know, small money, you need to win. Okay, look at. I'm just giving you the one example, right? And then tell me how much amount I won, and now from the morning till this evening, how much amount I have won. Look at here. From the morning, right? I think this time it starts 5, 6. Every entry, how much I have won? Tell me.
Few cents, $2, $1, $3, 5, 1, 4.
Now,
Quite few.
Very few, right?
Yes.
How much total is this one?
40.
Quite good amount, 40.
So is it bad?
It's really
Yes.
good.
You know, $1 become a $40. But if you are thinking that within the 5 minutes I can win the $40, then you must understand maybe you will lose the $40, right?
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
You know that what I'm doing when I'm just watching and when I'm talking with you, you know, recently I was talking with you. This is the last trade. I was in a meeting, I got the $3 because when I saw, oh, there is opportunity, I placed the trade and immediately I get the $3. I was talking with you that time.
Oh.
Every time, just when I'm watching to the market, oh, it's a good, I can place a trade. And lot size is, look at the lot size. Very small. 0.1.
Is
okay?
it 10?
This is a dairy market, okay? And this is not a Forex, but it's look like a Forex, right?
Oh.
So you can think, I won here, this one, okay? You know, when I'm trading, I'm not using one account. I'm not using one account. Look at here.
Why? But why, sir?
Another account also it's opening in front of. When I'm placing the trade where in my, I'm placing the trade in the both accounts, right? When I have a confirmation, too much confirmation, I'm placing trade in this account, also in the previous account, which I show here, this one, right? So $40 I won in the previous account, right? And how much I won here? 26.
Almost 27.
27, for example. Then it's a 67, right?
Yes.
Till night, it will become 100 USD. Because I still have time. I will sleep after 1 a.m. So it will become 100. If every day I get this 100, just with talking, just I will talk with you, I will talk others, and doing my work and getting 100 USD. Is it bad? Every month 3,000 USD is a bad amount.
No, sir.
It's heavenly good.
Look at.
But sir,
I'm managing. You know, in my wallet, I just tell you for your confidence and for your understanding that you don't be greedy. In my wallet, every month how much I'm getting? 3,000, right? For example.
yes, sir.
But in a backup in my wallet, more than 5,000 USD is available. But why I'm using trading with a 100 USD? In my wallet, I have a 5,000. more than 5,000. But I'm not using that amount. Why I take a risk? Because if I'm getting good profit from the 100, then why I take the too much? I'm not a greedy. If someone says, sir, you are a good trader, if you place one entry, you will get the 200 USD automatically, right?
Yes.
Why you are teaching? Why you are giving us a 1 hour, 2 hour time? Why you are teaching 7 hours in a day, 4 hours in a day, or 5 hours in a day? And they are thinking that I'm not a good trader because that's why I'm teaching. You know, if I take a risk every time, sometimes I will win, and I'm a human being, sometimes I will lose, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have a target. I'm achieving target 100 USD from here and 50 to 100 USD from the binary. When I will join 50 here, 100 here, it will be 150, right?
Yes, sir.
And 3,000 here. If 2,000 from the binary, I will get the 5,000 just enough from a trading. This is not a bad in a month, and I'm happy. And there is no tension. I'm giving time to my family. I'm playing with my kids. I'm going outside with my friends, and I'm enjoying every weekend. So this is the life. But every time, if you think about the money and you have a greed, means that you are not at the right decision. So why I'm giving you this counseling? It's very important. You can understand from my this small amount earning, it at the end of the day it's become a 100 USD, near to the 100 USD. So this is not a bad, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
So what do you feel like is a reasonable so like after we master all the strategies and we take time learning and rewatching the videos and practicing in our demo accounts, when we get in our live account, like realistically, like how much do you think we would be able to I guess make within that first year? And I know we're still beginners, but like realistically, like how much do you
one thing,
or your other students?
I understood. Okay. One thing, some students, when I'm asking from them, you are trading, you are practicing, why you are not using money management? They are saying, sir, it's a demo account. It's a demo account. That's why I'm not using money management. When I will use the real account, and then I will use the money management, right?
Okay, I'm so sorry, but for some reason,
no. I'm clearing your point, but this was a point which I was missed to tell you. So that's why it's for all, not for you, just okay.
No,
so,
my computer, like the internet connection went bad, so I didn't hear anything.
Okay. So I'm telling that some of my traders in academy, when they are showing the trades within the trading history, we can understand he is using the money management or he are not using the money management, right?
Yes, sir.
So when I will ask from them that why you are not using the money management, they are telling me or saying me that, sir, this is a demo account. When I will start trading in a real account, then I will use the money management, but it's a demo, it's not an issue. Right?
It doesn't. Yeah.
You know, if you are not using money management in a demo, then how it will be able to you have a habit to use the money management in the real account?
Yes.
Even you will practice, you use the money management. For example, one trade I place, right, which I have lost. Okay, for example, one trade place which I have lost, and then someone called me outside the home. I gone there, right? After 1 hour, I come back again. I will start from here. Again, I will start from here. If I won, again I go for any work. After 2 to 3 hours, I come back. I have to win this target. then you will be habitual to accept all the targets. Again, if you lose, and then you have to win. Now target is complete. Now the session is complete. Now if you close the trading, it's up to you. Maybe one session it takes the 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. It is possible. Only within this opportunity. Maybe it will take the 2 days. You can, but don't go outside the money management.
Yes, sir.
First complete it. Another your question that in the start you use 1 by 1 strategy. If all strategies you will trade, then your result will be not good. Okay. 1 by 1 strategy you use. Okay. So for example, if you are using, you know every strategy. Okay. But when you are using the breakout strategy, then when you start the session, in this session only you will place all the trades which are regards to the
breakout strategy.
But if you are mixing the trades, you will lose.
Okay.
When you are trading the continuation trades, the one complete session will be only on the
continuation trades.
Yes. One thing. The another secret, when you are using the breakout trades in a Euro USD, don't jump to the another pair. Only this session will be complete in a Euro USD. Is it possible?
Yes, sir. That's crazy because yesterday I took some trades. I think I took like 12 trades, all Euro JPY. And I actually did really well because normally I would put up all the pairs. I don't know why I would do that. And then I would just go through each one. So it's definitely
So one session, now one session, one strategy, one pair.
Okay.
Is it possible the 10 breakouts will be lost? 10 consecutive breakout will be lost. Is it possible? Tell me.
No. No, sir.
It's not possible, right? But 10 pair.
Yes, yeah.
Every first breakout in every first pair, every pair, it can be the loss, 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 right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then it is possible you will lose all the trades. But in a one pair, you will never find, even, for example, if you just examine, practice 10 hammers in a row, 10 hammers in a row, in a one pair. Is it possible after 10 hammers there will be no green candle?
No, it's
maybe 50% you will get the green candle, 50% you will get the red candle, right?
Yes, sir.
How much you have to win?
Only 2.
Is it possible you lose something?
Yes, sir.
You are trading the engulfing, right? You are not waiting for the retracement. You are trading the directly. The next candle will be the green, or red, green. Okay. Is it possible the 10 engulfing in a Euro USD will not give you the next candle green? Minimum 5 patterns will give you the win, right?
Yes, sir.
So how it is possible to lose?
Right.
Why? Because when we are opening the 4 pair, if we got the opportunity here, we will trade here. If we got the opportunity there, we will trade there. And that's the reason of the bad performance of the trader. And the trader is not realizing this thing.
Wow.
This is the secret. This is the secret of trading.
Yeah. Yeah.
For example, something you lost in your home. Something you lost in your home. And you are going outside to find that same thing. Is it possible you will get?
No, you will get nothing.
You will get same thing in your home again, right? So if the one pair, if Euro USD is giving you loss, the Euro USD will recover you. If you are thinking I will recover from the USD CHoCH, how it is possible? No, don't just think that if I want to start the session, I will complete within the Euro USD. In the start, select which pair you want to trade. Only you trade that pair. This is very important for the success. These things come from the experience, and then you can how you can find, for example, see 4 pairs I'm going to place right here. NZ USD, right? The first engulfing we will find. How much? What we find? The first engulfing. At the same time, we will find, for example, a little bit away from each other. See here, 4 pairs, right?
Yes, sir.
Look at this is very luckily when this engulfing give you the rate, when this engulfing give you the rate, when this engulfing give you the rate, when this engulfing give you the rate at the same time. And is it possible where you will lose all the 4 trades?
Yes, sir.
If it is possible, so now if you are thinking, sir, look at I won 4 trades consecutively, I'm a good trader, right?
Yes,
and
sir.
if you place the 4 trade in the same manner and 4 you lost, what you will call yourself? So understand, only trade in a one pair. When you complete the session, then select the another pair. When you complete the second session, then select the third pair. So this is very important, but it's up to you. If you're not comfortable, then you are responsible for your trading also. I'm not just forcing anyone that you only use this. I'm just suggestion that this is my experience and I'm successful in this way. And I show you the history also that look at how with a small amount I got 40 USD immediately. So that thing is very important, right? Any question? Because we have mostly completed the setups. You have any confusion, any query? If not, then I will leave you for the practice, and then after some time, after 1 week, we will again meet for one day.
I just have one question.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Let's say, sir, the continue patterns are actually how we can continue for the trade.
Continue pattern means, for example, if you are getting the engulfing, right?
Yes, engulfing. After that, we have 6 type of retracement or that.
No, that is the complete way how to trade. Continuation pattern is different. Okay. The continuation pattern means after engulfing, maybe you will find the hammer, maybe you will find the inverted hammer, and maybe you will find this one.
Spinning top.
Spinning top. After this, the next candle will be the green. After engulfing, if you find any continuation sign, then expect the next candle will be the green. Only this is the continuation sign and continuation trading. There is no any other continuation trading of the patterns.
Okay, sir, fine.
If another thing, if you want to trade the retracement, then wait. When retracement appear at the key level, then you have to place a buy. So this is called the reversal trading. This is called the, because after red, if you buy, it's a reversal trading. After green, if you buy, it's a continuation.
Continue.
When you buy before there's a green candle, it's a continuation. When you buy before it's a red candle, it's a reversal pattern. Got it? Any other member who have any query?
So we will have no more classes?
Yes, we have finished here.
Other classes are other classes on the over side? We are not getting any more classes?
No, one class will be after practice, because now I did not saw practice from the members. Only the Fawaz sent us some work only just a research, not the trading, right? So now I want the trading from your side. What I teach you, trade. Then you will get the confusions. Every day I'm teaching you the different concepts, but where is the trading?
Yes.
How I know that you are good in that strategy, you understood the strategy. When you will trade, then I will understand, oh, there are problems. He is not understanding the strategy, that's why he is trading wrong. So trade, share in the group. You have a 1 week, right? In the 1 week you trade. I'm not just forcing that you have a one day, it's a Monday, and anyhow you have to trade. No, be relaxed. Whole week you have to trade. Every day you trade the one strategy, understand, review, and trade the strategy. And after the week, when you will submit the trading, and I don't require that every day you submit. When we have a class, 1 day before you submit all the assignments, and then the next day I will give you the time for the class, and then we will discuss. Maybe it will take the 2 hours for the discussion, because every assignment I will check. And then if there will be any confusion, I will teach. If there will be no confusion, then I will release that now you can start the trading in a real account. But this 1 week, there will be no real trading, right? The 1 week you trade in the demo account. You know, when we are going to the doctor, definitely he will ask us that what you have a problem. We will tell him a problem. But if we are unable to tell him a problem, then he will test. And then he will read in their own reports that what he have a problem, right?
Yes, sir.
So now I'm asking question, so sir, there is no problem. But when I will test you, and then you will give me the reports, then I will understand, yes, you have a problem, or you don't have a problem.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
So this is for
Sir?
everyone. Yes, brother.
Sir, I have a question, please.
Yes, ask, brother, ask.
After price action patterns appear on a chart, such as engulfing, we need the retracement or continuation candle eventually. So we can trade this pattern. But sometimes we got OTM because of any kind of SNR. So is there any way we can analyze the retracement or continuation candle through the volume to confirm our trade or filter it?
So after continuation candle, if it failed, right?
Yes.
Yes, only the support and resistance. And the second thing, the volume, right? How?
Right.
If you are not getting the support and resistance, then you have a volume, right? Look at here. Which is this trend?
Downtrend.
Okay, it's a downtrend, right? And just I get any pattern of the continuation. Look at here. This is a pattern, but this is not a pattern like it must be an engulf the whole side. So that's why I'm not counting as engulfing it, this one. So I need to identify the correct pattern here.
So we didn't do the volume of the upthrust and all.
No, upthrust and downthrust. Currently, I'm not teaching because it will become confusing. First, you cover these strategies, and then this topic I will teach, because this I skip, because I know that if I give you so many things, then you will never understand all the things. So because our support is lifetime, anytime we can call and we can take the class, right? So that's why I'm waiting that you give me the result. If you are good in a trading, then there are so many strategies. Today, as I took the session for the academy members, and I give them the more strategy, 3 strategies, I share them. So we will share, it's not a problem. See here. This is what? All the continuation signs failed, right?
Right.
A continuation sign failed. just to understand, this is a spinning candle. The spinning candle lower and upper wick is support and resistance. You don't need to go outside, okay? You just to understand, the candle closes under the resistance, okay? And there is a rejection. This rejection is from the seller side.
Yes.
And this rejection is greater than the buyer's body, right? This rejection is greater than the buyer's candle body. And volume increase from the previous bar. So rejection is greater or body is greater? Hello?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking, rejection is greater or body is greater?
Rejection.
Rejection. So if volume increase means this volume is from the seller side, right?
Right. Yes.
Because we will count which thing is greater. This rejection is greater or body is greater?
Rejection.
Rejection. This rejection is from the buyer side. If the volume increase from the previous candle means which volume increase? Buyer's volume or seller's volume?
Buyer's volume.
That's
Yes.
why the next candle is the
Green candle.
green. Now come here. Upper rejection is greater than the body and volume increase from the previous bar. It means that the next candle will be the red because sellers have more pressure. Upper rejection is little bit greater than the body and volume increase from the previous bar. The next candle will be the
Red candle.
red candle, right? So this is the way from the volume you can understand. And then first of all, just to understand this pattern have a strong volume or not. If the pattern don't have a strong volume, then your continuation sign will not work. If the pattern it don't have a strong volume, this will not work. If the pattern have a less volume, it will not work. If the pattern have a less volume, it will not work. If you find any continuation, you can use this one also. And if you are not understanding the volume, then it's not a problem. Then understand that how much space is there from the resistance. This is space, you can understand, right? So means the candle is closing under the resistance. The candle is closing under the resistance, closing under the resistance. If the resistance, we understood minimum 2 rejection from the upper side means sellers are more active than the buyers, right?
Right.
Then there are very less chances to continue. Mostly when you will see, if the two buyers in the range market have a 2 rejections, sellers continue. 2 rejections, sellers continue. 2 rejections, sellers continue. It is possible, right? So understand from the wick that these are the strong, these are the weak. So you can filter this thing. And the last filter and very good filter. Engulfing or any pattern. When you found in an uptrend and you got a continuation sign, you can trade. In an uptrend, who is stronger?
Buyers.
Then you trade only in an uptrend. You will never fail. But in a downtrend, in a strong downtrend, if you got the continuation sign, it will be more fake. It will be fake. So in a downtrend, don't trade the bullish pattern and its continuation sign. In an uptrend, trade. Now, in a downtrend, what you need to do? In a downtrend, you will get the bearish pattern with a continuation sign. Only trade those patterns, right?
Right, sir.
Then you will win too much. Then you will win too much. For example, this is a pattern. It's a downtrend. It's a continuation sign. You can trade. For example, it's a pattern. It's a continuation sign. You can trade, right?
Right, sir.
In a downtrend, sellers are stronger. Always sellers will give you the continuation sign. Even if you are losing the next candle, also again it will go down. You can use the one step martingale also. So this is my suggestion for you. Clear?
Okay, clear, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so for example, if someone who have any confusion or who have any query within the week, before closing the week, you have any confusion, then contact me in the group. Write your question, sir, I'm facing this problem. How I can solve? If the problem solved in a chat, it's okay. If it's not solving, then I will give you the live link and then join me and then ask the question, and live you can clear your confusion. Right, brothers?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will again meet. Today is a Sunday. The next Sunday we will meet again. Right?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
And one day before I will message to remind you that tomorrow is a Sunday, we have a meeting, and then I will give you the time. This time we have a meeting. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you
Okay,
so
sir.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.